ಒಂದು ಸತಿ ಅನ್ಯಾಯ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅದು ವ್ಯಾಪಕತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅದೇ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಹೊಸಬ್ರಿಗೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಳಂಕಿತ ADGP ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ರೂಟೀನ್ ಕೋರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟಿವ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ದು ಹಂಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು, ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಹೋರಾಟ, ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಹೋರಾಟ, ಏತಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹೋರಾಟ, ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು, ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು.
Several police sub-inspector candidates who had been shortlisted for recruitment gathered at Bengaluru's Freedom Park on Saturday to protest against the government's decision to cancel the exam. The protesting students want the government to revoke its decision, claiming it's not known who took the exam illegally and who passed it honestly. According to reports, over 400 candidates have come from many districts and are sitting on a hunger strike until the re-examination order is cancelled.
Actually, it's not 1 or 2 months sacrifice. We are studying from 7 to 8 years. I was working in a company. I was not needed this PSI exam, but my father told that public service is the best work that you can do. He's working as an assistant sub-inspector. With his suggestion, I started preparing, and I've given 7 to 8 years of preparation into this. Who will give justice to my sacrifice and my hard work? And they have suddenly told we will do re-exam and we will cancel this notification. Who will give answer to this? It's not just 1 month hard work. I am preparing from 2014. Who is responsible for this?
Sir, see, for this competitive exam, I have been preparing from past 4 years. So the thing is, I have a small baby, sir. From that day onwards till now, I have struggled a lot keeping the baby. So the thing is now, in spite of all the odds, we have been selected for this exam. So we are not ready for any re-exam, sir. So what we have decided, we will move legally. So we are not going to give up on this. We are going to move legally. And one more thing I want to say is, all these days government gave us this thing that they will assurance that they will not leave us behind. So what they told is, we are always there for your support. Whoever has done this will be excluded from the list, and whoever is genuine, we will support them. They had told that we will support them. So we were believing their words till today, but suddenly all of a sudden Home Minister sir has given this statement that they are going to conduct re-exam. So our next move will be that we will fight legally only, sir.
Do you think the government is actually supporting the culprit rather than supporting the students who have gone through the pain?
Of course, sir, because investigation is still going on, but they're taking already re-exam decision. It's very wrong, sir, because we are DGP sir also confirmed nobody will genuine candidates, nobody will get excluded from list. Only scam students will get excluded from list. But still it's going on like this. Really, sir, it's very harassing for us, and we are facing very mentally pressure now. I don't know what to do, and we are approaching for court also. We will do what we have to do, sir.
Tell about this preparation. How many months, how many years?
Sir, I took preparation coaching from Delhi. I went there. So after that, I attended UPSC also. After that, I gave KPSC mains also in 2011. And PSI, this is my second attempt, sir. Okay, I prepared very hard for this. Even I missed UPSC exam for this one, sir. This is one since from three years, I'm preparing for PSI only. Now I got selected, sir, but still it happened. I don't know what to do. It's very emotional for us, and we need justice, sir.